What's up?
Guys, how y'all? कैसे हैं सब? All good?
Hi.
Oh, you're so pretty. Who painted you? This is laughing.
You might even smoke a cigarette. Can we smoke a cigarette and then start?
It's not allowed here actually.
It's not allowed. Indoor में चलता नहीं है ना. I should have thought. Yeah, I'm sorry. No problem. I'll just keep it. We can smoke later.
Do you mind removing your hat?
Actually, I was just worried that my fans will recognize me, but fine. But you know what? I'll have to fix my hair now. Acha, darling, do you mind if I just take a quick look in the camera? Can you just turn it real quick? Guys, Yeah, okay. Alright. Yeah, good. I'm good.
Also, can you sit straight for the frame?
Oh, sure, no problem. Yeah, of course, why not? Anything you eat. Can I sit like this? No, that's that.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rohan. My friends call me Bunny. Although technically I should be called Runny because I keep running to the mountains.
My name is Naya Kohli, but yeah, I'm not related to Virat Kohli. I get that a lot, so I just wanted to mention.
My name is Vinny.
My name is Dhananjay, and everybody calls me Dan.
So, Bunny, what do you do for a living?
Wrong question. What do I do for a living? I live in the moment. I'm listening to you. I'm connecting with you. This is a conversation that you remember for the rest of your life because you're talking to me because I'm here with you.
I'm a lifestyle content creator on Instagram. I have 50,826 followers. I'll just show you. Yeah. Huh? Somebody unfollowed me. It's 50,825 now, guys. Yeah, it's part of the job, I get it.
I do nothing. Everything just happened. Oh, you mean as a job? I work for an IT company. It pays well, but it's very boring.
I'm an artist. But, art तो बहुत लोग बना रहे हैं. But I think art creates me. It comes out of me naturally. It just flows.
So, where all have you been?
I have been to Chandigarh, Chandiland. I have been to Mandi, Kulu, Manali, Kasol, Jogni Falls, Rohtang Pass, Washington. Kasol में तुम गई हो? मेरे दोस्त का कैफे है वहाँ पे. We'll go together, no problem. You can just give me a call. मैं वहीं रहता हूँ. So कभी आने का बने तो just let me know. We'll meet up. We'll catch up there also.
Oh, darling, I've been to a lot of places, around the world. Yeah, I remember being in Namibia, I've been to Tokyo. Yeah, but my followers lately have been telling me a lot that I should travel across India. I'll just take my followers queue and मुझे जाना है कहीं तो India में भी. I'd like to go to the mountains. मुझे I also want to go down south. Kerala में जाना है मुझे. I've seen a lot of photos and videos on Instagram. They look so good. I need to do well for my profile as well. So yeah.
I've been to many places. What do you mean? You want to know the names? Okay. Well, I've been to Arunachal, Northeast में. I've been to Tripura, Manipur.
So I go to all these places with the famous museums, I've been to London, I've been to New York, I've been to Amsterdam, I've been to Paris. I saw the Mona Lisa and I experienced Van Gogh's work and it blew me away. Which is when I decided to paint my own jacket. This jacket, can you see it? Can you? Yeah, this one. I painted it with my own hands.
What's the craziest thing you have done?
Lots of things, but some of them I can't even tell on camera. Oh, but one time I went to the Maldives, we just gone for 3 days. I had just packed 15 pairs of clothes.
15 pairs of clothes.
How it was so bad. Oh yeah, that reminds me that I've actually got another look for this interview. Hi guys, thanks for waiting on me.
I've done a lot of crazy things, yeah. Trekking to Jogni, walking up to Vashist, spending time in the snow, sub-zero temperatures in Rohtang Pass. It was difficult. But the craziest thing that I've done is not talk to anybody for an entire day. I was volunteering at this cafe in Kasol and nobody came up, yeah, dead white ekdam. I can't live without making new friends, meeting new people. Hi, I'm Rohan. You can call me Bunny.
Oh, did you just recognize me? Are you one of my followers?
No, but we could know each other.
Oh, darling, actually I'm just a little busy right now.
Yeah, come on, give me a fist bump.
Yeah, cool, okay. We'll just talk later, yeah?
Okay.
Bye. Who was he? I mean, How many followers does he have?
What's the craziest thing you have done?
Craziest thing. Oh, that one time I played that drinking game, Never Have I Ever, for the whole night, and I won that game. And I didn't have to drink even once.
Why is your leg shaking?
I don't know why. I think it's a bit uncomfortable situation for me. And I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't do this around. You're not even paying me. Can we end this soon?
I met this cool ass tattoo artist and she taught me how to ink myself. So this is a piece of art that I actually created on myself. And that's the mission actually. That's what I am going to do next. I'm going to cover my whole arm and I'm going to do it myself. By the way, I also have a Van Gogh tattoo on me, but I'm not going to tell you where it is.
What inspires you to travel?
See, I'll be honest with you. It was 2013. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani had just reached, and I just felt like I also want to make out with foreign girls, man. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is my story. I've quit my job and I've started traveling full time. And Mukherjee, I'm such a fan of this film. I always carry a ukulele with me all the time. You know, just so that ऐसे कोई बैठा है तो ये jamming, bonfire चल रही है, ऐसे. ये जवानी है दीवानी के गाने पसंद है आपको?
What inspires me? Okay, it's a very simple answer. It's actually my followers. Such sweethearts. Love you guys.
My friends and family. Whenever they visit me, मैं निकल जाता हूँ.
Everything around me inspires me to travel. Mother Nature inspires me. People inspire me. Actually, you inspire me. What are you doing tonight? Man, do you have anything on you?
What do you mean? यार ये सब मेरे पास नहीं होता है. Please don't ask again.
PTA yaar.
Why do you love traveling?
Very good question. Why do I love traveling? Nana. Is it okay if I call you Nana? Nana, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. जब कोई पहाड़ देखता है ना नैना, तो वो सोचता है कि मुझे पहाड़ चढ़ना है. मैं सोचता हूँ ये पहाड़ के आगे क्या? मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ. So I'm always thinking about traveling. Today, tomorrow, I've come to Gurgaon, I'm traveling. I'm going to Noida, I'm traveling. I'm going to Paharganj, I'm traveling. I'm traveling all the time. I love traveling. Traveling is my life. The time I spent in Manali, Kasol, Rohtang Pass, Jogni waterfalls, best 2 weeks of my life. Best.
So when were you in Manali?
अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले, 2 weeks back.
And Kasol?
Yeah, 2 weeks back. उसकी पहले.
What about Chandigarh?
वो रूट में आता ना. मतलब कश्मीरी गेट से if you take a bus, no, चंडीगढ़ से जाती है वो.
And Kullu?
Same route. Same.
Have you been to any other places than Manali and Kasol?
Yeah. Shimla. Went with my parents. But that doesn't count, no?
I mean, I think I love traveling because I love telling stories, of places, of people, of like what they eat, what they do. It just is really so beautiful. I just want to be a really good storyteller. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting a call. I have to really take this. It's important. It's Virat.
Who?
Not Virat Kohli, guys. It's just my boyfriend. I really have to take this. So yeah, it's been nice. Yeah, I love you all.
I love traveling because I like to get away from people. That's why I visit the remotest places, and I prefer private rooms over dorms because मेरे को privacy अच्छी लगती है.
Have you seen the wall art outside the property? Who do you think made it? I did. That's my gift to you.
It's been lovely, Yatan, talking to you. Thanks for coming.
But I can go on. Don't you want to know about my exhibitions, my paintings? I can also tell you about my travels. I actually love talking to you. Would you like to continue talking tonight? What are you doing tonight?
I actually have a boyfriend.
हम क्या देख रहे हैं, bro?
Yeah, so this is a very basic boring wall. I think grey is just a bad color, so I'm actually going to paint on it, transform it completely. But wait, why are your eyes so red?
अरे I found that thing you were asking me about.
You did?
Yes.
That's nice.
But क्या jacket है, bro? क्या painting है?
You like it? Do you want to
Yes.
see more?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll actually take you to one of my exhibitions.
चलो.